Hi guys, so welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to be doing crochet faux locks on my hair, as you can tell by the title. I've just finished shampooing, conditioning and moisturizing my hair and deep conditioning as well. And I'm just going to do the cane row pattern off camera, come back and show you how I've done it. But what I'm planning on doing is doing cane rows at the back, single crochet faux locks in this section right here, and then I've got my 2 flat twists at the front as usual to protect my edges. This is the hair that I've ordered from Amazon. 6 came in a pack, 6 bundles, and I'll put all the details down below in the description box. So it's a wavy texture of goddess faux locks, and it's 18 inches and it's color 1B. So I'll be back in a moment to show you guys the cane row pattern. Okay, hi guys, so I'm back. I know I look crazy, but ignore that. So this is my braid pattern. It's not the neatest, and that's because I have these fake nails on, and the back of my nape area I'm just going to shave that off again. I'm going to keep shaving it because I'm absolutely fed up with it. But this is the braid pattern, and so I've done 12 cane rows going back, then I've done like a snake pattern here. So hi guys, this is the end result of my faux crochet locks, goddess locks. I'll just turn around so you can have a look. They come up to like just under my armpits. I like them, they're lightweight. I have 89 locks in my hair, so that meant I used 4.5 packs, or 4 and a little bit more than a half packs of hair. And I've just decorated it as you've seen in the video. I've put like a shell on as well, but you can't see the shell, so I might add some more. This is the end result. I hope you like them and I hope you like the video. Please comment, share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.